the most bizarre celebrity scandal you've ever heard? 1. Jay-Z and Solange's elevator fight. Jay-Z and Beyoncé's sister, Solange, got into a full-on physical fight in an elevator at the Met Gala, and the footage leaked to the world. Solange was throwing punches, Jay-Z just stood there taking it, and Beyoncé watched calmly like it was just another Tuesday. To this day, nobody knows exactly what sparked it, but rumors about cheating or business disputes have fueled endless debates. 2. David Hasselhoff and the cheeseburger meltdown. David Hasselhoff was caught on camera shirtless, drunkenly eating a cheeseburger off the floor while ranting incoherently. His daughter filmed the whole thing to show him how bad his drinking had gotten. The wild part? He turned it into a redemption arc, using it as proof of why he needed help. The video is still one of the most ridiculous celebrity moments ever. 3. Steven Seagal's fake cop career. Steven Seagal pretended to be a cop for years on his reality show, Steven Seagal Lawman, but it turns out he wasn't even a sworn officer. The best part? He got sued for raiding a guy's house with a tank as part of a fake drug bust. Seagal trying to live out his action movie fantasies in real life is peak bizarre. 4. Azealia Banks cooking a dead cat. Azealia Banks admitted to boiling her dead cat as part of a witchcraft ritual, then casually posted about it on Instagram. The internet lost its mind, but she doubled down, claiming she's into brujeria and that people shouldn't judge her cultural practices. Honestly, no celebrity drama has ever been weirder